Hello guys, yesterday was Mother's Day. I hope you celebrated your mother. Still on the ultimate love, Kachi reaffirms his love for Rosie as he celebrates her on Mother's Day. Rosie and Kachi, ultimate love winners of the maiden edition of Ultimate Love, Nigeria's first romance-inclined reality TV show. Their journey to winning the show wasn't all smooth as they had to make choices about who they want as partner. Ultimately, they were paired together and were known with the ultimate couple name Roxy. Taking to his official Instagram account yesterday, Sunday, May 10, 2020, Ultimate Love co-winner Kachi took to his Instagram account to reaffirm his love for her as he celebrates his soon-to-be wife, Rosie, on Mother's Day. Sharing the photo, he wrote, "There's no scrapped knee or a broken heart that a hug from you couldn't heal. On this day, I just want you to know how special you are to me. Happy Mother's Day to our official Rosie, my sweet wife. You're wonderful to behold and a rare jewel and the treasure of my heart." How sweet. Happy Mother's Day to our ultimate love queen, Rosie. If you're a true fan, please drop a comment below and wish Rosie well. Also, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.